Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a full Rare Beauty thoughts and opinions video because they sent me so much new stuff and I want to try it and tell you guys every little detail. Also, if you hear like breathing, scratching, muffles, that's Oliver, my little Frenchie. He's in my room right now because Olivia, our other Frenchie, the girl, had babies. She had puppies today, so they can't be around each other, so he's with me right now. So if you hear him like doing his thing, just ignore it. So if you guys are new here and you don't follow me on Instagram or TikTok, I did get recently put onto Rare Beauty's PR list, and I'm very like shook that I was even noticed by them. It was a big goal of mine to be on their PR list, so it means a lot to me. They sent me a ginormous box of a bunch of goodies. I'm gonna insert the video because I did post it on TikTok and Instagram. So how cute, the little bag. Along with that, they sent a lot of makeup. So I did already put on my eyeliner and lashes. For the eyeliner, I used the Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes eyeliner. So this is a brush tip liner. It is not a felt tip, but it is a vegan bristle brush tip, which I didn't even know that a few brands that might have a brush tip might not be vegan. I mean, like, I'm not gonna go over there and accuse them, but like I didn't even think that people would use like real animal hair for these brush tips, so that kind of like woke me. Personally, I do like brush tips over felt tips or just in general like any liquid kind of consistency when it comes to eyeliners. I promise you guys I'm giving you that eyeliner video because I have a lot of eyeliners to recommend and talk about and tell you like what's worth your money and what isn't. This one, it's good, but it's just not to my liking. I do like it maybe for like in there kind of a liner, but you guys already know my staple liner is the LA Girl Jet Setter. For some reason, this Jet Setter liquid liner has the same like brush tip. It's a little bit more pointy though, like it's more slender. Thinnest brush tip that I've seen other than the Huda Beauty, which I also am a big fan of, the Huda Beauty Lifeline Quick and Easy liner. I love when the tips are very thin. This one compared to the other two is a little bit on the thicker side. So to do the wings, yes, but to do like the actual top part, I wouldn't recommend for that. Maybe if you just want to do the wings a little bit thicker, then this brush tip would be perfect for you. But honestly, it's a little dry, so I've been shaking it, trying to like figure out why it's not as like juicy as it was the first time I used it. So this is me using it 3 days in a row. So thoughts? I think that you can just go with the Jet Setter. I would just go with the Jet Setter. That's my all-time favorite, and it doesn't get dry throughout time of you using it. I have gone through so many of these and these last me months. I have the Rare Beauty mascara and I have been using this for a few days. I like how it leaves my lashes looking volumized. Also to mention, the Rare Beauty one is waterproof, so I don't know if that will like get you to go and buy it. It's a cute liner, but like I said, like I just know that you can get a better buy for your money at the drugstore. So the Rare Beauty mascara has a nice like peanut shaped wand. I do like that it does have a long and short fibers for maximum volume. I do like how it does leave them looking a little fluffy. Something to go and run for. I never recommend running for a high-end mascara only because I've done that and I just feel like you can get the same exact look for less, and I'm all about saving wherever I can when it comes to money. So is it good? Yeah, but is it something that I would tell you to go run for? No. Also to mention, like Rare Beauty has really beautiful packaging. So, I mean, you're getting quality where, you know, where you're spending your money, but as far as product performance, it's really pretty, it's nice, but if you're on a budget, I've done a few videos using their Soft Pinch liquid blush. These are actually my favorites right now for liquid blush and just in blush in general. These are, of course, their most viral product that they have, and it's always viral on TikTok. Everybody has these. Everyone on the face of the earth has these, but you guys, they are that good. Retail for $20. And they are kind of small. Let me see how many fluid ounces. 0.25 fluid ounces, so that is little product, but they are so pigmented. This will last you for so long, so you only really need one. But I mean, they have so many shades now that it's like kind of hard to just get one. They sent me the two shades. This is Believe and this is Joy. And you guys, I wore Joy yesterday in my vlog, and oh my god, I need to do a blush combo with this today. Also gifted me the Mesmerized Liquid Illuminator, which I haven't tried from them before. It's been sold out. Everyone has been doing this blush hack on TikTok where you mix the liquid blush with the illuminator to get that like perfect glowy blush. So I want to try that today on camera and tell you guys how I feel about the illuminator. I already know how I feel about the formula from the soft pinch blushes. I love them and I recommend them because they are that good. Like, they're super pigmented. A little goes such a long way, and like I said, you probably only need one for like 2 years. I'm gonna be doing a TikTok doing this, so I'm gonna insert that and then I'll tell you guys my thoughts. Oh my god, you guys, so I just did the tutorial on TikTok and look at the freaking vibes. I'm so in love. Everyone has been doing this and I've been like kind of feeling left out because I didn't have the illuminator. But you guys, this illuminator, I feel like this would look good with any cream or liquid blush. Like, it would just give. Shade that I mixed the illuminator in Mesmerized with is Joy. So if you have my same skin complexion, this is the one that you need. In a few of like my older videos, I'm using the shade Grace because it is like the perfect pink. This with any pink blush looks fire, especially if you have the same skin complexion as me. I'm gonna show you guys on camera how it looks when it's all blended. So if you've used Rare Beauty's liquid pinch blushes before, you would know that they are super pigmented. I like a good pigmented blush, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. Also keep in mind that these do dry down pretty fast, so you don't want to just leave it sitting on your face because it will get all weird. This is the illuminator in the shade Mesmerized. I'm gonna place it a little bit above. Now I'm taking my Real Techniques brush and I'm gonna just blend the two together. This is the same brush that I had like applied my foundation with, but I like how it merges with the foundation too. Like, it softens the vibe. That is on this side compared to this side. I feel like this side's a little bit more shiny. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the illuminator, just like a literal dot, like, okay, maybe a line. Oh my god, you guys, I'm obsessed with doing this, like the combo, like mixing them together, because before I was just using the blush alone. But what was I doing? Period. I'm gagged. I'm stunned. She was too stunned to speak. I'm gonna do a little bronzing off of camera and we'll be right back. Okay, so I did my bronzer and then I added my little lip. I did the same lip combo that I did in my vlog that I just posted, which is the Mario Twins lip liner. This is in the shade Poppin', which is just like a brown, so you can just use a brown to recreate this. And then I used the Joy Soft Liquid Pinch blush in the center that I used for my face, the same one. I feel like it complements it so well. And then I put on top a gloss. I used the Beauty Creations Ultra Dazzle Gloss. The shade that I used was Go Getter. I actually really like their glosses. I'm not opposed. I do like them. I'm gonna be going in with some mascara from the Rare Beauty on the bottom lash line, just because I want like a little bit of extra drama right now for this look. I'm zooming you in so you can see the mascara on the bottom lash line. I actually do like how it makes my bottom lashes look like very fluffy, like volume. Considering I have very small lashes, so this does add a little bit of extra dimension. Look how cute my lashes are. I'm utterly obsessed with this look. It's very like minimal for me because I usually go all out and I do like my eyeshadow and everything, but I am living for like this big lash liner blushy glowy moment and then like a soft matte base, period. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you want to try anything else from Rare Beauty, because I don't mind going out and buying it and trying it for myself. So let me know in the comments. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.